India Today's Shivani Sharma brings us ground reports from missile-hit areas in Israel where once bustling cityscapes now lie in ruins, reduced to rubble, ash and silence. Take a look.
I'm right now in Beth Yam in Israel, and this is how the devastation can be seen on the buildings here. This is the building that was damaged by the Iranian missile hit, and you can see this is a multi-story building and multiple floors of the building have been totally damaged. 5 people of the family lost their lives. This was how it came down here in Israel's Beth Yam, which happens to be a busy residential region. And you see this whole area has now been blocked by the police. If I can show you once more the pictures for a better view, how this has been broken totally. This is now actually shattered completely, and 5 people lost their lives. Multiple buildings in the vicinity of 100 meters have been inflicted with severe damages, and this is how it looks. The rubble of the building have come down. The police has cordoned off the whole area. Nobody is allowed to come closer to this whole building. And almost every day there are sirens that go on in Israel to save the people from the Iranian missiles, and nobody is in a mood to de-escalate. You see that kind of impact in the cities across Israel. This is how the debris are on the streets of Israel. And Prime Minister Netanyahu has said that no negotiations will work. Whether America supports Israel or not, the operation will go on. And this is the kind of impact that we see on the buildings inside Israel. This is Shivani Sharma from Israel for India Today. There are damages on these buildings, the skyscrapers out there. They have been, the windows, the glasses are broken. And here in the this part also, which you can see behind me, here also there are signs of damage. And this side, you see, this is how the building is damaged. So this whole area, this road that leads to this particular building, this building of course has been completely evacuated, and the forces have surrounded this whole area. No movements allowed, entry is restricted closer. But certainly there are multiple places in Israel which have been hit by the Iranian missiles. So the forces have been giving alerts when any kind of projectile is seen as a threat coming towards Israel. But still there are certain buildings which have been hit, and today also we've been hearing that there have been damages close to Haifa in Seba area, and yesterday one hospital was also hit in Israel. So as it continues, there are signs of damage and buildings being affected. Their impact is quite close in this whole area. I'll keep getting you more pictures, more signs and more impact of this conflict from the war zone. This is Shivani Sharma for India Today from Tel Aviv.